If your Vizio TV has sound, but the screen stays completely black, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple fixes that often solve this problem without special tools. We'll start with the easiest solutions first and move to a few advanced checks if needed. If this guide helps you, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more repair tutorials. Before trying any repairs, make sure you can still hear audio from the TV. That tells us the television is receiving power, which helps narrow down the possible cause. First, press the power button on your Vizio remote to turn the TV off. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to see if the picture returns. If the screen is still black, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for several seconds. This can help clear temporary system issues. Next, unplug the TV's power cord from the wall outlet. Leave it disconnected for about 1 minute so the internal electronics can completely power down. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the TV's power button for about 15 seconds. This drains any remaining electrical charge inside the television. Now plug the power cord back into the outlet and turn the TV on again. Check whether the display comes back after the restart finishes. If you still hear sound but can't see a picture, shine a flashlight at an angle across the TV screen. Look carefully for a very faint image underneath the dark display. If you can barely see menus or pictures with a flashlight, the backlight system may not be working properly and could require additional repair. Next, press the input button on your Vizio remote to make sure the TV is using the correct input source for your connected device. Scroll through each available HDMI input and pause briefly on each one. Sometimes the TV is simply set to the wrong input. If you're using an HDMI cable, disconnect it from the TV and plug it back in securely. A loose connection can sometimes cause display problems. You can also try connecting your device to a different HDMI port on the TV. This helps determine if one input port is causing the issue. If the picture returns, open the TV settings menu and check the system options. Keeping your TV software updated can prevent future display problems. Select the option to check for software updates and install any available update. Don't turn off the TV while the update is in progress. After the update finishes, restart the TV and confirm that both the picture and sound are working normally again. If none of these steps solve the problem, you can consider performing a factory reset. Remember that this will erase your saved settings and preferences. If the TV still has a black screen after every troubleshooting step, the issue may be related to the backlight, display panel, or another internal hardware component that requires professional service. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped fix your Vizio TV, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your TV model in the comments so others can benefit too.